Hello and welcome to GDBS. I wanted to give you a product demonstration of an advanced feature currently available inside of GDBS, that being add-ons, being BSSN. And as you can see, we can run grid resolutions up to what you'll be able to understand is that we can do grid resolutions, and our selection goes from 12 to the third power all the way up to 256. We are working on additionals. For now, we're going to go ahead and do a 128 by 3. Certainly, we would believe that this might take it some time. We are going to do a wave amplitude of zero point 0.1. And we're going to keep everything else essentially exactly the same. We're going to run this and allow the steps to propagate. And as you can see, we get an exact number, and we do have a judgment, which is that it's currently degraded. Now we are running this as a BSSN base. So now we're going to switch to go ahead and do Z4c, which is a higher order precision. And as you can see, nothing else being changed. It does still identify that there is a degradation that is occurring, yet we are able to review our full pathway and understand exactly what the numerical paths are and the exact output, which we can then utilize in reporting. Should we choose, we could actually do a Minkowski flat, a robust noise, a Brill Linguist 2 puncture, as well as a Bowen York puncture. And again, when we configure this, we can identify specifically what we want it to look like. We can do calculations according to Minkowski. And again, because it's flat, you'll see that, well, the numbers really aren't going to be the same. We can do robust noise and immediately get a robust noise calculation directly from that. And again, we still have the same degraded functionality, but we get an answer quite quickly from our solution. Um, we can also do, uh, Bowen punctures, and again, you can configure those as well as, for either of the two different solutions that will require the information to be provided. We can do uh, different frozen laps, harmonics, and moving punctures. We can do specifically formulations and flows that the harmonic apple to apple on a gauge. And again, while where they may or may not be degraded, we can run tests of up to 1024 by 3. Currently, I'm only going up to 256 in peak value, or at about 192. Um, my preference right now is to stay in the 128 until we figure out a 200 plus step uh, valuation that gives you more direct output without going into not trustable. Anyway, you get the general gist of this, and thank you for visiting with GDBS. And I do hope you enjoyed taking a look at the advanced physics capabilities within GDBS. You can contact us at our getvaultsync.com website, or me in particularly, by going to either our contact form or emailing me directly, joe.garrett@getvaultsync.com. Thank you and have a great day.